Bah! Unpacking the exclamation. Hello language enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into a short but expressive phrase used in English, bah. Ever heard someone exclaim it and wondered what they really meant? Stay tuned, because by the end of this video, you'll understand its nuances and when to use it. Before understanding its meaning, let's look at where it comes from. Bah is an interjection, a word or phrase that expresses strong emotion. While its exact origins are hard to pin down, it has been used in literature and spoken English to convey certain feelings for a long time. A famous example would be, bah, humbug, from Charles Dickens' A Christmas Carol, used by the character Ebenezer Scrooge to express his disdain for the festive season. Bah can be quite versatile, but here are the common interpretations. 1. Disbelief or skepticism. If someone tells you a tall tale and you respond with, bah, you're expressing doubt about the truth of their story. 2. Dismissal or rejection. When you're unimpressed or want to reject something presented to you, bah can be your go-to exclamation. 3. Frustration or annoyance. Sometimes, when things don't go your way, a short bah can encapsulate that feeling of slight irritation. 4. Mockery or derision. Less commonly, but sometimes it can be used to mock or ridicule someone or something. Like many expressions in English, context matters. How you say bah and the situation you're in can determine its meaning. For example, if a friend shows you a new dress and you respond with a sarcastic bah, it can be taken as mocking or dismissive. If you drop your pen and can't find it, a quiet bah can just express mild frustration. Always consider your tone of voice and the situation to ensure you're using bah appropriately. And there you have it. Bah, a simple, yet multifaceted interjection. We hope this video has shed light on its usage and meaning. The next time you come across it in a book, movie, or conversation, you'll know exactly what's being conveyed. Until next time, happy learning!